Hello everyone. Today we will continue to play chess. Let's go in 3 plus 2. We have the white pieces and let's play the London system with the move d4 and bishop f4. And then let's play knight f3, e3. Okay, our opponent played the move knight c6, very a little bit strange moves that you can see in this position. Normally, uh, our opponent has to play the move knight d7. Okay, now let's continue our plan 92 next. Maybe we're going to put the bishop on e2 to going on e5 because bishop takes our queen takes. Let's play bishop e2 so we can play the move knight e5. Can here we play knight e2. Bishop takes, we can just take. We have double pawn, but it's also very good opportunities. For example, in this position, we can take, and you can see that the pawn on e4 is very weak. Queen takes, but our pawn on f4 is not weak. You can see now we already have a very good position. Okay, so we win the e4 pawn, so we're already has a very good position. So next move rook e1, and now the e4 pawn is going to lose this. And now you can see that our opponent after the move f5 has new weakness in e6. So after takes, you can see the e4 and e6 pawn is very weak. So queen g5, now we're going to take every pawn, check. And you can see that our opponent wants to play for our king. So let's play the move rook e3. We want maybe to put the rook on g3. If rook e8, h5, let's double the rook. h4, h4 maybe, a6, okay. Now maybe we can going to exchange our queen. Let's play the move, what to do. We have a very good position. Let's attack this f6 pawn. Rook e8 just takes, and we have two rook against the king. So in this position, he played the move rook f8. So maybe playing the move queen f5 is very good because we have two pawn and he don't have any pieces. Queen d2. Okay, let's play queen b1 and put the queen on c1. Queen c1. Let's exchange queen, and now he has to exchange queen. Takes h3 with just played move g3. Classical. So now h3 just playing the move g3. Rook e8, king f1. Rook e7. Okay, this position is just completely winning. Let's put the king on f1. Going to the center. In the endgame, we have to put the king in the center. So rook g6, you want to double rook. Let's play rook f4, attacking the h4 pawn. Rook g8, let's play the move g3. And if he takes, just takes it. Rook h8. Okay, now king g2 is not bad because now you can see that the king is control a lot of squares. So rook h6, we don't scare a lot. Rook e1, rook h2 check, just play the move king f3 and we don't have anything. Now rook e6, rook e7 is a very good move. Rook e6 double attack pawn and this pawn. So let's take with this rook. You can see that with this rook you can attack also the a6 pawn. So king f3 and now e6 is attacking. Rook a8 in this position. Just put the pawn in queen. Okay, let's going to promote. Okay, let's push because attacking our pawn. Let's push. Okay, now maybe we have to attention to this attention. Maybe play the move king. Wait, let's wait a bit. Let's play the move king e3. Let's play king f5. And then rook e7 is coming. A5 I don't scare because rook can coming unchecked. So f4. Rook f7. Let's put the king here. And let's attacking the 7th rank. Okay, let's put the king. A6, 7. Now we want to promote. Let's push. E7, just play the move rook e1. So rook here can play the move f5. Now you can see our position is very beautiful. So in this position, he want to put in the queen. Let's play rook e1 to maybe control the a1 square and don't let our opponent to promote. And that position is just completely winning. Because king e6, maybe he takes. Okay, just d5 d6 is just winning. Okay, he just blundered the rook. Don't know why. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's let him go into the him because rook e8 is just a blunder. So rook d8, so we can continue our game. He don't want to play this move too, but just okay. I let him to go to his take and I let him take back. So he want to play another move. But this position is just completely winning. King a5. Now what to do is just maybe attacking the pawn. The one here. And maybe king e6. Let's put the rook on e7. Okay, what is he can just go into the rook here, 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 here. So he don't have a lot of thing to do. King e6. Now king f7, king e5 is a possible moves. Okay, let's put the rook on a1. Attacking here. So if he played the move a2, now he played the move rook e6 because king e6, he take, f6, and it's just completely winning. Because rook e2, we just play king f7. Takes the rook, and the pawn are going to promote. Takes here with takes, and it's the same thing. And so you can see that our pawn is going to promote. B2 pawn is going to lost. Okay, this is a completely winning position. Let's push. What is that? Let's go on f7 and f8. What am I doing? I'm completely winning and I have a position that I may be winning. Rook here, I just have rook here check. King d7. And now rook here is going to win. And he's in zugzwang. But what is that news? In here he won here. But he can't play in rook. If on takes, and if he queen, he's just winning. So rook check. And then if king going anywhere, just promote takes. And the rook is going to win the game. Okay, and our opponent resign. After the game, let's see what we do not good. Analyze, analyzing this game. Okay, maybe we played a little bit well, but okay, let's see that moment if he win or. Oh my gosh, I just blunder in this position. It's just completely winning, and I just threw the rook e7. He a2. Okay, I just threw the. Oh, oh, I just blunder in one move this game. So in this position, don't make this mistake because now I don't think. Okay, rook a2 is the best move because now and that is winning because he don't have the a2 pawn. But now it's completely draw and that it's draw and he just blunder. But now maybe it's not winning this game. King e7, why not? Oh, king c4. Take. Let's see our just one mistake is to play that stroke. It took the best move and just our move. Let's see our impression. Okay, this position is already winning for me. And we just blunder in this position. Have a completely winning position. I will completely through this. Okay, just play not very well. Okay, just blunder in the end game. So okay. The blunder is in this position. Don't play the move king first, and let's a2 is good also. And that's it for this game. And thank you for watching. And see you soon. Bye bye.